This is Product Station. Real reviews. No hype. Just facts. Product details are linked in the video description box. Click the link in the description box to purchase any product of your choice easily. Power up anywhere with the latest GUWIEYG and AliExpress EV adapters. From CCS2 to Tesla NACS and CCS2 to CCS1 350A 350 kilowatts fast chargers, these premium adapters deliver high current performance, seamless compatibility, and safe, fast charging for Tesla and CCS standard EVs worldwide. Number 5. Tesla EV Charging Adapter. Description: unlock high-power EV charging in seconds with the GUWIEYG 300A CCS2 to Tesla adapter. Designed for full compatibility and max performance, this adapter lets you convert a CCS2 charging plug into a Tesla connector, ideal for Tesla vehicles and other NACS-equipped EVs wanting to access CCS2 infrastructure. Key features: up to 300A/1000V, or equivalent, DC fast charging capability, engineered for serious power. Compatible input: CCS2/combo 2 charge station plug. Output: Tesla/NACS vehicle inlet, for Tesla Model S/3/X/Y or other NACS port EVs. Robust build, high conductivity copper cores, fireproof casing, weather-resistant housing. Plug-and-play design, no extra wiring required. Simply attach CCS2 from charger, plug Tesla end into your car. Universal use, works with home, station and public CCS2 infrastructure. Number 4. EYREE CCS2 to Tesla AC+DC adapter. Description: unlock next-level charging flexibility for your Tesla with the EYREE CCS2 to Tesla AC+DC adapter. Engineered to convert CCS2 or Type 2 charging infrastructure into a Tesla vehicle-ready plug, this adapter lets your Tesla Model 3, Model X or Model Y access a wider range of public and private chargers. Whether you encounter AC Type 2 or DC CCS2 stations, this adapter gives you one solution for both. Number 3. GUWIEYG 300A CCS2 Tesla AC+DC adapter. Description: unlock full charging flexibility for your Tesla with the GUWIEYG CCS2 Tesla AC+DC adapter. Designed for owners of the Tesla Model 3/Tesla Model X/Tesla Model Y, this adapter supports both AC and DC charging stations, giving you one adapter for almost every charging scenario. Key features: rated up to 300A, capable of high-power fast charging. Input: CCS2 plug or Type 2 plug from the charging station. Output: Tesla vehicle inlet for Models 3, X, Y. Made in USA. Dual function, AC and DC supported, so you don't need separate adapters for AC/Type 2 and DC/CCS2. Durable build, fire-resistant housing, premium copper contacts, weather-protected design. Number 2. GUWIEYG CCS2 to Tesla AC+DC adapter. Description: unlock full flexibility for your Tesla with the GUWIEYG CCS2 Tesla NACS AC+DC adapter, designed for premium compatibility with Tesla Model 3, Model X, Model Y and more. This versatile adapter enables you to connect to both CCS2 and AC Type 2 charging stations, converting them for use with a Tesla/NACS port on your vehicle. Key features: high power capability, rated up to 300A and supports AC/Type 2 charging as well. Input side, CCS2 plug from charging station. Output side, Tesla/NACS connector for Tesla vehicles. Number 1. EV charger converter for CCS2 vehicle to CCS1 car charging. Description: unlock seamless high-power charging compatibility for your electric vehicle with the GUWIEYG CCS2 CCS1 adapter. Designed specifically for use between CCS2 charging stations and CCS1 vehicle inlets, or vice versa depending on configuration, this adapter supports up to 350A/350 kW with a voltage rating of up to 1000 VDC, making it ideal for fast charging scenarios. Now you can bridge the standard gap between European/Asia CCS2 infrastructure and vehicles built for CCS1, expanding your charging options globally. Enjoyed the review? Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button.